dharma beneath the rising sun. The warriors stand silent.
O Krishna, how can knowledge be eternal?
Waits between armies so vast. Arjuna seeks wisdom that forever will last. Then the Lord speaks softly, calm and bright, a voice of truth, a guiding light. Divine knowledge shining through the night.
Open your hearts to the eternal truth, for within the cosmic dance lies the knowledge of all existence.
Listen to the voice of Krishna, calling your soul. Truth awakened, making the broken whole. I taught this wisdom in ages long before, to kings and sages on the sacred
When dharma declines,
but time has hidden this eternal way. So now I reveal it again to gain the secret of life. The Lord now shows.
Selfless action
The path
leads
where
to freedom.
truth
Knowledge destroys ignorance.
Divine knowledge shining through the night. Wisdom burning like eternal light. Hear the words of Krishna, calling your soul. Truth awakens, making the broken whole. When wisdom rises, ignorance falls, like sunlight breaking ancient walls. The fire of truth will purify and lift the soul beyond the sky. Divine knowledge shining through the night. Sacred truth forever bright. Guided by Krishna, fearless and free. The path of wisdom is the destiny. On the field where doubts once stood, the soul now walks the path of good. The timeless wisdom lights the way, and darkness slowly fades away.